My guy just keeps running laps over Joshua Tree into the boundary here, and it's something hanging from the tail. I think he's, I don't know if they're surveying or mapping something out, I guess. Hard to see, but that's hanging from the tail of that. Basically right there, he's in Joshua Tree. I'm right at the boundary. It just came out of the West Deception Canyon right there. Here's the aqueduct that runs to Los Angeles through the Little San Bernardinos. And looks like I got a big old storm coming off of San Jacinto. It's supposed to start raining in a couple hours. I can feel it. I gotta get moving. Beautiful day.